Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a obsidian black metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a keyless entry, a Harman Kardon sound system, a nice black wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with the smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, our hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, our dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our buttons for our infotainment center. This GLE has 19,260 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.